So when I turn on the box, the case, the left one turns on, but the right one, no light, no nothing. They cannot pair together, that's why it goes from blue to orange. But still the right one does nothing. I'll try manually to turn it on, but nothing happens. From the touch button also nothing happens. No response, it just doesn't respond. The case is fully charged, by the way. And you can see the light on the case is on, so it means that it has battery. So I don't know if the right earpiece is completely broken or it just cannot be charged, but it just doesn't work. I don't know. See, the light on the case is on, so it has battery. It should be charging or at least turn on, but it's just faulty.